What's up, guys? Your girl ELLOPEP23, get it right. And today we are doing a quick braid out. So I just woke up from like a mini nap. I fell asleep in my chair right here, and I'm like, yeah, it's time for me to go to bed. I'm about to wrap my hair and go to sleep. I said it would be wise to show you guys how I braid my hair. My hair came out so cute today. I did a braid out, not even on purpose, honestly. I just braided my hair because I was supposed to do a different style, but then I ended up leaving it in the braids, went to sleep, and then woke up and never did the hairstyle. So I'm about to show y'all how I braid my hair. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at ELLOPEP23, get it right. And yeah, let's get into this video. Yesterday I did 4 whole braids, but I ended up today, now I'm like, I want more braids because I want more of the waviness. I took this side and I sprayed it with this restorative spray. I'm gonna spray a little bit more because it's getting dry. I sprayed it with this restorative spray right here by Main Choice. Let me see. I spilled it. I spilled it on my couch when I was separating my products, and most of it is gone. I had combed this part out, so I'm gonna do it again because it's still got a little bit of tangle to it. Give it a little detangle. Then I'm gonna take my Shine Illuminator, but I'm just gonna take like 1 squirt and then rub it in my hands and start from the ends and move to the roots of my hair. And make sure I get my edges too, because I used to forget my edges and my edges be like, so I don't want to do 2 small sections, because when I do 2 small sections the hair ends up like less thick, if that makes sense. So the smaller the sections, the smaller the curls, right? But you'll have to separate it more, and I don't want to do all that. But I'm gonna do 3 sections on each side. But I'm just gonna braid it as tight as possible, because when I braid it tight, then the more like they're gonna be. So there was no words there. And as I get to the end, it's getting a bit dry, so, and I want, when I wrap them, I want the ends to be as curly as the top. So I'm gonna spray a little bit, get a little bit damp. Spray my neck. I did a little twirl. If you can do a little twirl, give it a little but that's it. It ain't hard, it ain't difficult. It's not, unless you decide to, like, you know, put some perm rods at the end or do a flexi rod, you know what I'm saying. But it's really just braiding in sections. You don't even have to part it correctly. Unless you're gonna style it like this, you don't have to part it. But I literally just take random sections like and braid it. I'm gonna braid the rest and I'm gonna get back to y'all. I just felt the need to say, if you don't have like the exact stuff that I have, doesn't mean your results won't come out right. I used to do that a lot. Like, I would watch videos, they would do braid outs and like, oh, I wish my hair come out like, I don't got what they got, I don't got that spray, I should get that spray. You don't need to get a restorative spray, you don't need to get, you know, the newest, you know what I'm saying. Though if you can do it. If you want to, go ahead. I'm not telling you not to, but if you don't have the resources, if you don't have access to it yet, that's okay. Use what you have. I used to use what I had. There's people who've used water and oil. Probably come out better than other people braid outs. Probably come out better. You know what I'm saying? It's just like, use what you have. So a lot of misconceptions about having natural hair and doing your hair is thinking you have to have every product that everybody else had. Thinking you have to do exactly what everybody else does. How do people come up with this stuff? How do people come up with 3-strand twists? How do people come up with flexi? You know, how do people come up with these styles? They tried it. They used what they have. And they came up with it. I just feel like I should say that. Alright, y'all, so I finished the rest of my braids. I braided it down. I put a scarf over. I put some more oil and then I oiled my scalp and massaged it. Real nice. I'm about to finish some things and I'm gonna go to sleep, and then in the morning I will show you guys how I take them down. Hey. But as I take down the braids, I'm not gonna separate them yet. I'm gonna take them all out, then I'm gonna separate them, okay? Okay, now that I've taken them down, I'm just gonna gently go through them and slightly like separate them. Like I said, be careful not to make it like frizzy, but that's why it's kind of important like what you do before when you prep and make the braids, because if you use gel it'll hold better. I just didn't want to use it because, you know, it's just extra stuff to wash out. So do this to the next side and we're done. This is the end of the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at ELLOPEP23. I just at this point leave the fingers down. And yeah, I'll see y'all later, y'all. This is